Okay, my friends, guys, how are you? So we are here in our Devasai trip. Kastur Darwish, me, Nadeem Chaudhary, Vicky Bhatt himself, who's picturizing all these beautiful moments for you. And there's Usman with Kashif Khan. So, look at this. Up over there, that is the Nanga Parbat Peak. Nanga Parbat Peak, the killer mountain. It is actually the back side, and the other side is on the Fairy Meadows part. And this is the Rama Lake. Rama Lake, this was the ultimate destination in our Rama Valley trip. It is marvelous, so gorgeous, natural, scenic views. Pakistan is, I would again say, as I was telling you on Devasai, that Pakistan is genuinely amazing country, full of mysterious, natural, wonderful sights. Snow-capped mountains and crystal clear waters, lakes. I have caught so many moments for you, and I would time by time upload the videos on this social media network. But I just want to say, you people, that if you want to enjoy and have adventure in your lives, you must come to visit our country, Pakistan, which is the pearl of Asia, and I would say that one of the most gorgeous country, having cultures, traditions, wonderful people, hospitable people. They'll welcome you, they'll host you, and we are peaceful people, and you must come to visit our country. Have fun, guys.